Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm showing you a quick way to identify if you have a leaking head gasket on your engine. One of the first things you want to check is for an oil leak underneath the engine. So you'd want to look underneath where the head gasket is to see if there's any oil drips there. But the next one I'm going to show you is not a visual way to recognize if you have a leaking head gasket. It's by hearing and listening. So if I turn this engine over, you can hear some hissing. And make sure you have the spark plug in when you do this test. It's very basic, you don't need any tools. And you can hear a massive air leak now. Now, a very quick way to identify where that air leak's coming from is by having a spray bottle with dish soap and water. I sometimes shake it up just to get the suds moving. And now I'm spraying this solution where the head gasket is, right about here. Now turn the engine over again and you should see some bubbles where the leak is. And just look over here as I turn the flywheel. Right in here. And you can see how quickly you can diagnose that it is the head gasket. Sometimes you could hear some air hissing, but it might not always be a head gasket leaking. So you're best to do this first before you tear the engine apart, just to find out it wasn't the head gasket. So once I've got the engine apart here, I'll show you the condition of this head gasket. And I've got the head off now, and here's the crack on the head gasket. That's where the air was coming out. So just by using plain old dish soap and water, guys, you can see how efficient that is. You don't need expensive tools to diagnose this. And you certainly don't always need to do a leak down test as well. If you do a leak down test, it takes time. It's not something that's done in 2 minutes either. So the purpose of this quick video today, guys, was just to show you a quick way to diagnose a leaking head gasket. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please comment below as to how you diagnose leaking head gaskets, and have a great day.